For Dallas homeowners, choosing the right windows is an important part of ensuring year-round comfort, energy efficiency, and curb appeal. With hot summers, occasional winter cold fronts, and strong Texas sunlight, you need windows that can stand up to the climate while enhancing the look and feel of your home. Double-hung windows continue to be one of the most popular choices in Dallas, and for good reason. Their timeless design, practical functionality, and modern efficiency make them a smart upgrade for homes of any style. Here are the top benefits of installing double-hung windows in Dallas residences. Excellent ventilation for warm Dallas weather. Dallas summers are long, warm, and sunny, making airflow a major priority for homeowners. Double-hung windows offer exceptional ventilation because they open from both the top and the bottom. This allows you to control how air moves through your home more effectively than with single-hung or sliding windows. Ventilation advantages include fresh, natural airflow during cool mornings and evenings, the ability to let warm air escape through the top sash, better cross-ventilation when paired with other window styles. This flexibility helps your home stay cooler naturally, reducing your reliance on air conditioning and improving indoor comfort. Energy efficiency that keeps utility bills in check. Modern double-hung windows are designed with high-efficiency features that help Dallas homeowners stay comfortable while reducing energy costs. Energy-efficient features often include double or triple pane insulated glass low-E coatings that minimize heat transfer. Argon or krypton gas fills tight, high-performance weather stripping. These elements help block hot air from entering your home in summer and prevent warm indoor air from escaping during winter cold snaps. That means your HVAC system doesn't have to work as hard, and you enjoy lower monthly utility bills. Easy cleaning and low maintenance. One of the biggest reasons Dallas homeowners love double-hung windows is their convenience. Both sashes tilt inward, making them incredibly easy to clean from inside your home. This is particularly helpful for second-story windows where exterior cleaning can be challenging. Maintenance benefits include hassle-free cleaning, smooth, reliable operation, minimal upkeep with modern materials like vinyl or fiberglass. With Dallas dust, pollen, and outdoor debris, easy clean windows are a major advantage. Improved safety for families and pets. Double-hung windows offer enhanced safety features that many Dallas families appreciate. You can open the top sash while keeping the bottom sash closed, allowing for airflow without creating a low opening that children or pets can reach. This offers safer ventilation options, reduced risk of accidental faults, peace of mind for families with young children. Additionally, contemporary double-hung windows include stronger locks and durable frames that provide better protection against forced entry. Timeless style that enhances your home's look. Double-hung windows complement both classic Texas architecture and modern Dallas homes. Whether you live in a traditional brick house, a craftsman-style home, or a sleek contemporary build, double-hung windows add clean lines and balanced proportions that elevate curb appeal. Aesthetic benefits include a universally appealing look, versatile design choices, a wide range of colors, grid patterns, and materials, better symmetry and style consistency across your exterior. Their classic appearance never goes out of style, making them a smart long-term investment. Increased home value and buyer appeal. Window upgrades consistently offer one of the highest returns on investment for home improvements. Double-hung windows are especially attractive to buyers because of their energy efficiency, ease of use, and versatile design. With the Dallas housing market continuing to grow, new double-hung windows can help your home stand out while boosting its overall value. Final thoughts. Double-hung windows offer a powerful combination of beauty, comfort, convenience, and efficiency, making them an excellent choice for Dallas homeowners. Whether you're looking to reduce energy costs, improve ventilation, enhance curb appeal, or simplify home maintenance, these windows deliver outstanding long-term benefits.